This is E450 6.8. I'm gonna replace brake pad, rear brake pad. Let me show you how to place the rear brake pad. Look where I put the jack stand. I put the jack right there, and on the side is the jack stand. Right there, make sure you put the jack stand too. Don't rely on only jack. And see, I put this breaker bar I had, and I just pull like this. It's going up tire. So see, this come outside the vehicle. There you have enough space to push this. So there's a 28mm right here. So you need to open. It should be like this, one in here, one in there, but it fell. So now only nut left. So I'm gonna open 28. The extension. I can do by hand also. See, this is coming out. After that, it just came out because there's no nut in here. Basically, just pull it, and you just need to open this, and this one as well. Though this one you can open with the big screwdriver, see, or like this. Just lose it out like this. So these are 22mm. See, 22. Just open all this. So all nut is open. Now I'm gonna pull the tire. There's a two tire. So one tire is, you see the orientation, just go like this. The other one is opposite, you see. Yeah, let me show you one thing. When you put the tire back, you see this is the lug nut you tied in here. You see little knob right here. So it has to be matched right there, otherwise it's not going to fit all of this. So remember this pin have to be right here out. To open the caliper, there's a little cap for the bolt. Take the cap off. See the cap? There's a one cap in here. The other one is right here. You see, this is a 3/8 Allen key. See this 3/8. Like this. See this? To do little by little like this, but it takes forever. That's why I cut in here. Let me show you. I make the tool, my own tool. So this is the I cut it from the 3/8. This in. See, I can open with the hand now. Same thing on the bottom. See, this thing, it came out. You don't have to pull all the way out because it's separate in here. Open the bottom one. See, this one is open too. Bottom bolt. don't have to pull all the way out, just leave it like this. Oh, you have to take the caliper out, but it's not coming out because you need to push this with something. Push this caliper a little bit inside. See now, take the caliper out. So I'm gonna put this brake pad. Just a little bit. See this piston, I push all the way in. To change the brake pad, you have to push this all the way inside. See this? Just go like this. And on the top there's a groove right there. Just go. And just push it. This is still good, that's why I'm not changing, I'm just showing. Make sure you put the grease on here when you buy the brake pad. They give you the grease right like this, and here a couple times, so make sure it's go in and out. Same the other side, other one, same thing. After that, you see this, tight this bolt and this one. Then make sure before you start the vehicle, you have to pump the brake couple times. Make sure it's hard, otherwise the vehicle not gonna stop. So be careful, guys. Make sure before you start, pump the brake until it get harder. Okay, thank you very much, thank you for watching.